India ki oina, Manipur ki oina, akhoi ki oina, home food, yum ki chac hinjang, sida akhoi ki protein ki chang se asukki mati wat lebe ko. Games and sports, gym bros, fitness, nutritionist, haiba mayam sina di ko protein ki knowledge se loina leba. Adubu ahan bo wahang haiba mathak tapal liba miyoi si katanga protein ki knowledge se leiraga loina yarabra haiba sine ko. Video sida mother, wife, daughter, sister, kaka, nene, pabung, tamusau, kakayai, ZF adu wai di single name ko adu ergasu loin ma ki puning siksinjari si khakta natana diabetes patients mayam ki puning busu hanna amukasu anirak su busu puning siksinjari laira jaragasu aige bloodline da ahan orakpa ahan kudimak diabetes loina nai ko aduna aisu ahan orakanda narakadra haibagi kiba mipaiba adu mayam do faweba aduna su maram oraga ai namtang di noida di no hellaroi ge na kanna honajari aigi ming I samak fat loss ki journey da yam kan hona jari fat loss ki journey horok pada ai weight se 84 kg ne 84 kg se BMI body mass index ki matung ina ai height ke ka yeng kan dai se overweight overweight ne sorry obesity is the yam unhealthy ko adna healthy BMI lainaba ai isa gi ni ko healthy BMI lainaba ai weight se 60 kilo lebam thoeba. Even if it's not exactly 60 go, I would still be happy if I could bring this number to 60 to 70 below, but below 70 I would still be happy. Sina ai ahan ba fat loss nante ko I have tried many times, I failed many times, I couldn't give up. Main reason being tibong law ko adubu ai khangja ba ai experience me am do khara share tau jarake yamna detail na tabi to yamna chamtak ta mong mayam understand to ba mong da ai mayam da share tau jarake adna video si loidribo khami na gisi कोई सारी वो चिंजाक वगैरह फूड वगैरह सी में हमसे nutrients की point of view द यंग पकांदा मखल अनी थोंगा ले macro nutrients है हमका micro nutrients है हमका macro है ताड़ी you will be requiring those nutrients in a bigger quantity larger quantity द काटा बदबू macro nutrients कोरेबा दुगा खर पिक तक ना द काटा बदबू micro nutrients कोरेबा को अदुति में macro nutrients है उसे यंग ऐसी these are nutrients that the body requires in large amount for energy production and growth large amount large amounts for energy production and growth ko ahamba the carbohydrates adai mathang the proteins aduga fats sina khwaidagi chawba portion dune ko carbs protein and fats ko magi cam hogi samsamba diet amada cam yaugada haibadu sigi chang sineba carbohydrates se 40 to 60% yaugada ko proteins in 10 to 30% yaugada aduga fats in 20 to 30% yaugada neba sida circle to research sina aigi hoji consume to riba aina sabada carbs 40% proteins 30% fats 30% sigi diet sineba aina hoji follow to jaise adu khalerga carbs mu khatang kakthar kini sigi protein intake sum kitang asu wang khalakini ko adu mayam ahambagi ham sigi proteins sidagi han horase si carbohydrates ka fats ka se CDI ka si semja roi kaigino have the see video se entirely protein do in semjaning bane adugi ina see another video on the semjar ayo protein se kaino yeng minerals ma'am proteins are essential for bodybuilding and repairing tissue as well as for making enzymes and hormones. Good sources of protein includes meat, fish, poultry eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Proteins also provide 4 calories per gram. 1 gram of protein equals to 4 calories. See, basic में नेवा protein के 4 calorie को 1 gram of protein equals to 4 calorie. अब मैं protein से काय देखी फंगे है उसे ये ऐसी meat तकी को meat, fish, chicken. सिम ले रहा है सिम मथंग दा prawns ले रहा है देखी दी eggs ले रहा है adagi different kinds of seeds and nuts ma'am lai ko chana adagi di chia pumpkin seeds ma'am lai walnut lai adagi Greek yogurt adagi sardine fish canned fish sai gadra kongreng hawai legumes oats cottage cheese sina tab atopu ma'am lai ramgani ko si ma'am common no visual loina uragadi kar hena nungai gani na gym sanaba ma'am na protein kokta na haine ri ma'am se kari no se yeng se kai dagi lak pano se protein kokta se basically it is a whey protein. Whey protein has whey protein is a popular dietary supplement often used by athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts to support muscle growth. Whey protein khatangi natana protein have muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. Yamna mating pange ko. Whey protein have milk tagi derived of pony. It is derived from milk during the cheese making process. Mana dominate protein me atay me amsi ko. Aduna easily digestible so ay anamba workout lo kanda gym sanaba mayam na thangnai do. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Kwai maru si maming sinati ko maming jai khang de bo. Ngonda ka su daka tarak piman de ko. Anai khangning de ko su. Adubu yang si 9 essential amino acids protein the protein given 9 essential amino acids se lai si khanga se du ko maming si chimpa ai brain ya de ko. Aduna habang mo histidine, leucine, methionine, threonine, valine, isoleucine, lysine, phenylalanine, adagi tryptophan. Sigi whey protein kokta sida lo ni yaw. Alna yam thu na su digestible oi bani na mayamna gymmer mayamna sinari du ko. Skinny oi ba mi gaina si sa ya brang khali ko. It tends to be more affordable than other forms of whey protein 70 to 80% yawi kharasu hongi. Second suba whey proteins in a whey protein isolate se kainom gi mineral si whey protein isolate se sidana ngasai fat and lactose sidang sai fat and lactose yawi dana concentrate de adu whey protein isolate this is a yariga remove the fat and lactose aduna 90% protein by weight 90% protein or it is a good option for those who are lactose intolerant habisi kuna lactose manipuri ka ya no khangde ko adu anamba dairy products kuma sa ba kanda kaido no khangde aina tabra allergy to ba kano ni to mani ko ai gi oina di kasu tawde intolerant oide tolerant akodi lo ya ida kana kuma carbs fats handage have me you can go with protein isolate iso protein isolate chai ko fat loss ki da yam kanai fat loss ki da whey protein isolate se si na na fai ko fat loss ki oina mathang da whey protein hydrolysate haise anaba patient gumba magi protein digest to boda matam changbo dakar yam thuna protein dakar da bumba adu gumba patients hai tare ne adda doctor gaina si protein whey protein hydrolysate se mayam da pijai ko adu kanugumba aina makha tarak topic diabetes si protein pizza bai whey protein hydrolysate se ko mathang da diabetes rich man disease hojiki ira se communicable disease tagi non communicable disease ne hena yam sathi re ko abdi heart attack adu bp am tawre ko adu diabetes hai se me am khangmin har se diabetes hai se ani thong kalai type 1 type 2 ko type 1 sina angang gumba ko type 2 sina adulthood ai di type 2 ki da focus tawrage type 1 se yam na su kano rare organ bani type 2 diabetes is more common and often develops in adulthood although it's becoming increasingly prevalent in younger individuals due to lifestyle factors such as poor diet and lack of exercise. It can sometimes be managed with lifestyle changes like diet and exercise, oral medications, or insulin injections. Chronic obesity insulin injections P ko koi bokisu sigi insulin injection je hoji dose ani saksaram dai pum dai adum lowri dose sigi diabetes har pa matam da main focus to lifestyle and sorry but diet kay exercise tawba si khatane ba yam important hoy kay gino di si disease lifestyle the base tawni if you are having a sedentary lifestyle sedentary tum sa leraga how thum sugar wang ba carbs wang po adum sa taragadi sarak taragadi diabetes se represent se wang tuni ko yo pasa yam changba pot masal ga se loi sa gi dun ana diabetes na ba mi the protein se kai gi damakta dakar tari no ha si ma madang se ke no thajaram ge diabetes da hogi blood sugar se fluctuate to se wanda ge to ba haksang yam na sonjal lakpa hyperglycemia hai tar ga di sugar se sa wang khala sugar spike to ko adai di hypoglycemia ga ha ga na sugar se drop tawpa sugar level se ko sugar sat law wang ba sugar sat law nimda ba se yamna thuna tawgal leba compared to a healthy person ko aduna protein intake se diabetes se yam thi hen gadam ne adu carbs kum starch oil sigum se khara handaraga protein intake se yam hen laga veg fiber sigum se yam hen laga sa gadam ne protein jina diabetes patients me am da kai kana hange je blood sugar control. Proteins have a minimal impact on blood sugar level compared to carbohydrates. Man bangasagi hypoglycemia the yam impact pidramnina compared to carbohydrates yam impact pidramnina protein is a better option ko. Mathang the satiety haragadi puk thalaga aram khang phawandaba puk thalaga laibo including protein in meals can help promote feelings and fullness and satiety. Abdi sak lam phawon da puk thal laga leragadi ai overeat tawdragadi ai calorie do dum yam consume tawroi. Muscle health. Proteins are essential for maintaining muscle health. People with diabetes may be at risk of muscle loss. Aje muscle se amna muscle kaidarak pa muscle shrink torok pa se diabetes ki am common noiba phenomena amane ko. Masangda next the glycemic index saya in high sugar level low sugar level adu myam do blood sugar level se spike se salang to ya ba salang na emta ba ya ba chance am wang eba carbs ko protein wang jar tar ga sugar di am impact sam laita ba sai sugar wang ba ma sung sugar name ba se balance diet ha ga di macro ki sang da mai proportion do lo yaw bi ba micros yaw ba fibers yaw ba vitamins sa simyam je balance when cha ma gi optimal leibam thokpa chang du ya chang du yaw ba diet to adu balance diet ko ba balance diet se hoi ke khang ti ko sa kang soi ka sa sa le ngak pa pun sini ata re ai mung da su diabetes na mi se yaw bani na ai khangja ba myam do khara experience khara share to ke high gi do adu ai husi haizer age ko aham da number 1 da periodically check your blood reports se yamna toina check to se yam tarkar tai diabetes se ko doctor ka thang ne yarakte diabetes hai bisi kai gino hai kan doctor ne guli im sara phaga damne te diabetes is based on lifestyle, so doctor is not the only angel here ko sidene diabetes na me gym sana me ke samane hai they have to be strict, they have to be very disciplined, they have to track what they eat, they have to track their progress samane go 10,000 steps on all weathers kem tawdasu chatpa hai bisi khoilem chatpa ya ponina 10,000 steps simedi compulsorily chatpiro ko aduga 10,000 steps se kamaina how will I know that I have walked 10,000 steps hayagadi nang phone am yenga youtube se huji youtube tagi ni na si yeng sha al phone de lo yaw de android ai huji ulage iphone android pagira lo ni yabani ai go di iphone sorry android ko adu do ina sumaina sigi sumaina swipe to swipe to one widget tholakani ba swipe to widget tholena ko sumaina tholani ana swipe to one si widget tholani scroll down bro thangda step sango details sangani the goal change requirement ma tungina kya step kya 10,000 12,000 11,000 10,000 set to bro I use 10,000 set to lage okay ida calorie cam burn to giro yeng yarani like all fitness guy lower your carbs intake and increase your protein nice fitness enthusiast ma'am carbs handa sa protein intake yang wang side na sorry what to eat from the kitchen which are rich in protein tawraga saba yairaga saba aduguma nattabi ko yari kai kanuguma da yang la daga yom gan steam tawraga saba je makhara ikenum haijar ke ko steam tawraga saba je manon sabiu thaw ka do yam consume tawdana ba mathang da eggs aga mamuto yari kai neglect tong ko egg whites yerum charaga di mathang da meat to grill tawbra natraga boil tawbra tawraga en chabiro legumes soybean sabe ai lentil sabe ai samsamba bean sabe ai soya chunk sabe ai chickpeas araga di chana do diabetes leire amasung blood lerakpagi chances leire na detect tawraba khangaba air fryer chan lebiro karigino haiba kanda air fryer se leiraga di thaw do sina roina thaw sina dabita dum sina dum sigi ngasai hariba fish meats adagi even sometimes vegetables ko air fryer da tawraga chabiro adu taraga di howsu howrani healthy su orani hatra adai mathang da glycometer na device am leyo ko the thing is what is your sugar level read tawrani ko adu glycometer ko glycometer se am lebiro amada air fryer am lebiro mathang subda glycometer am lebiro aduga skim milk se shem ga lebiro ise khuna breakfast ki matam da mayamna cha thakna bako mayamna cha thakna bagi matam da mayamna kanum sapot kanum cha matam da ko almonds peanuts walnuts ko chia seed se yam su hongwani ko amazon da lupa sani ram tanga phangbani chia seed se dum kanu da ising da thada raga dum early morning da dum tha su yai ko ai de doin thame jiburi thakte da whey protein for diabetes ne gym sana mi khatana protein kokta leiba protein cha ba dakar laisi gym sana mi khata sunatte ana mi su dakar tai haning easily available adu yam su phaba poni ko protein next hoina gym sana mi gaina monthly kokta leibra bucket leibra am tawnai dana adumaya sigi si khar pesa hek leiba si election bi kaino ha ba kanda hek lamai dana chak thenge chak thenge khole simat sigi protein next ka laung thilagam thakchan bi ko aduna mayam motive sigi video se si point of view se aina haijening se we all need protein hai se darkar tai ba angang ogera ahan ogera protein je wala ka angang da su deficiency disease mem lai duni ko protein hai se darkar tai angang nubi ahan kaka nini baba mama masagi mathaki dietitian ke ka mem du tana biro doctor tana biro du ko ke kisaba ya em sunya de ha du mem